Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhanisa binti Abdul Karim. My matrix number is 33DFO19F1103. Today, the big topic we have discussed is cancer in Malaysia. For introduction, cancer is a disease caused when cells divide uncontrollably and spread into surrounding tissue. Cancer is caused by change to DNA. Most cancer-causing DNA changes occur in sections of DNA called genes. Cancer is the fourth highest disease in Malaysia based on observation. The number of cases is increasing very wrongly every year. Hi, I will present graph 1. As you can see on my slide, the graph I have chosen is a bar graph about a percentage of death from cancer in Malaysia at 2016 until 2020. We choose a particularly for this topic is the bar graph. Next, I will describe what is clearly shown on the bar graph. In this side, the graph obviously show that the death of cancer in Malaysia increased rapidly every year from 2016 until 2020. Besides that, the graph also have a percentage of death and year. As per told before in 2020, hold the highest percentage of death in Malaysia. Okay, we move on the graph. For the first bar is 2016 with 21.7% of death. Secondly is 2017 with 26.1%, which is increase of 4.4% from 2016. 4.4% is not a small amount but quite high. Next, for third bar is a 2018, show a 31.9% and increase a bit from 2017. For 2019 is a 41.1%. The percentage slightly raised from 2018 to 2019. Lastly, for 2020, the percentage is 47.5%, increase 6.4% from 2019. As you can see, the graph from 2016 until 2020 is increased dramatically.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzatul Syafiqah binti Zami Ambil. My number is E33DFO19F1093. Okay, I want to discuss about gender of cancer. Okay, firstly, colorectal cancer. Okay, this cancer is the most significant in this chart. It shows a mass 40.8% men are higher than women. It because men always practice that habit of the smoking, alcohol, and fizzy drinking. Usually the cancer start from the polyps and have a small bump on the surface in the intestines. That mostly is harmless, but if left untreated, it will become a cancer. Color cancer usually affect those 50 year and over, but does not but that does not mean that people 40 year over not affected by the disease. Okay. Second, genital cancer. Okay, from this graph, show the highest woman in this problem because of the increase in this problem is due to relentless sexual, and it can also happen to teenagers who doing sex at a young age. The system is prolonged bleeding in the uterus and presence of a lot blood clot or pain when during the sex. One of the treatment retrieved when a positive is a surgery or chemotherapy. Uterine cancer is often detected at an early stage because the most common symptom is abnormal vaginal bleeding, which are prompt when when women to see the doctor. If uterine cancer is detected early, surgery for pressure removal of the uterus can increase the chain of a cure. Okay, 3 thyroid. In the graph showing the significant higher thyroid for women because most of women have a weak antibody system, making them suitable to attack on the thyroid. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of the neck that are responsible for the production of thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland as a iodine in producing thyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone are very important in the body because to control the metabolism and function of the human body, such as grow and regulating the metabolism of the protein and fat in the body. The factor of the cancer reverse all the time and help move at sudden speed. The treatment of the cancer is to be treated using the drug or surgery, and it depends on the type of the thyroid. Okay, lastly, leukemia. Leukemia cancer. Okay, leukemia cancer can occur in both men and women due to environment factor and environment factor or the genetic background of the family. But scientists say that this factor is not yet established because they are still conducting diagnosis about the cause of leukemia. Among the effects of leukemia are constant anxiety attacks, lack of appetite, and weight loss. The way doctor diagnose leukemia is with a complete blood called CBC test to calculate the number of white blood cell, hemoglobin, hematocrit, and the number of platelets from a blood sample. In addition, the treatment that will receive in the hospital chemotherapy treatment aim at reducing white blood cell. Okay, conclusion. In the conclusion, as your age, your body endurance will decrease. Not to mention, if you adopt a healthy lifestyle, including not taking a balanced diet, and often life stress or stress. Still, no matter what you weigh, exercise is one the best way to reach cancer. Study show the physical activity has an impact on various aspect of life. Okay, this include those related to the health of life. Why various disease, cancer, recurrence, and the increasing rate of healthy each individual. Okay, I have the three method to less the cancer. Firstly, burn calorie and body fat by staying active. For example, an activity lifestyle can help in improving the level of health. One of the way to stay active is to exercise because this is the best method to burn calorie and reduce the body fat. 2. Increase oxygen in the body. Oxygen help to the body to replace old cell with new cells. Without enough oxygen, our body cannot produce energy and the body metabolism will decline. This makes us less effective in our daily life. 3. And lastly, balance of metabolism in the body. A balanced metabolism rate is also important in body because to improving the level of health, which in the turn can prevent cancer. Among the method to balance the metabolism in the body is to eat regularly.